Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use alternative translation in DeepL. So actually guys, you will need just to open up your favorite browser and then just go with DeepL.com. And now you will need to go first with the view alternative words or phrases. Okay, so just go ahead and enter your text and let it translate. Okay, so for example, we'll go and translate from English to French. So we'll go, for example, with "Hi, my name is Jack." Okay, just to set an example, right? So in the translated result or in the right side, you will need to click word or phrase. Okay, so for example, click that one. And sometimes a drop down will appear with alternative translations. Okay, so just click the option you prefer and the sentence updates instantly afterward. So you can even edit manually for more options, so just click inside the translated text box and start editing a text or a phrase. Okay, and DeepL will suggest more alternatives as you type and select the best fit. So now we are going to talk about when to use them. So you can use them to match the tone, like formal versus casual, and to fix translations that feel unnatural, and to choose the right meaning of a word. Like the context matters. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.